Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm lazy, so I'm not even gonna add this to the last video, but there's also the posable version of the Scorpios Rex here, and I think it's also 40 like the electronic version, but the posable version comes with a gyrosphere and Kenji figure, which is pretty cool. I haven't seen the other human / dinosaur packs. By looking on the shelves, you can see, yep, there's the price tag for the posable Scorpios Rex and gyrosphere, so 40, same price, and I don't actually see any tags for the human / dinosaurs, just that one. But again, there is the Fierce Force one, so I'm excited about that. I might actually have to get some help grabbing the other humans. I heard they're on like Entertainment Earth or whatever, so I'll probably check there, because I definitely don't want to get them on eBay, and I'm not sure the stock, the like type of stock they have in the States of them, if they're common, if they're rare. I know that this set in particular is pretty hard to come by up here. I've only seen it like once in Alberta and once in BC, and that's it. So this is my first time seeing it in weeks here. So that's pretty interesting that it's one of those, I'm guessing, more popular ones. That's why it's not on the shelves as often. It's probably scooped up immediately. But these are like the next hot thing up here, so those will probably be disappearing soon. Anyways, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.